Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Shubh, the place where learning English is simple, practical, and full of confidence. My name is Shubh, and I am so happy you are here with me today. Take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and get ready for a powerful episode, because today we're not just learning English, we're changing our mindset. Before we begin, I want to ask you something very honestly. Have you ever said, I want to improve my English, but? Maybe you said, I don't have time, or English is too difficult, or I'm not confident, or maybe even, I'm too old to learn. If you have ever said something like that, then today's episode is exactly for you. But before we go deeper into our topic, I have a small favor to ask you. If you enjoy these conversations and they help you improve your English little by little, please take 1 second right now and click the like button. It really helps the channel grow. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to English with Shubh so you never miss a new episode. Also, share this video with one friend who always says English is difficult. Let's help them rise too. Now, let's begin. Today's topic is very special. The title of this episode is No More Excuses. It's time to rise. First, let's understand one important word. What is an excuse? An excuse is a reason we give ourselves to avoid doing something. It is a small story we tell ourselves so we can feel comfortable. For example, you wake up early and think, I should study English. But then your mind says, you look tired today, maybe tomorrow. That is an excuse. Excuses feel safe. They protect us from discomfort, but they also stop our growth. So today, we're going to talk about the 5 biggest excuses people use when learning English, and we're going to destroy them one by one. Let's start with the number 1 excuse. The first excuse is, I don't have time. This is the most common one. People say, Shubh, I have work, I have family, I have responsibilities, my schedule is full. And I understand, life is busy. We all have pressure. But here's the truth. You do not need 3 hours every day to improve your English. You need 5 minutes. Yes, 5 minutes. 5 minutes while drinking tea, 5 minutes while waiting for the bus, 5 minutes before sleeping, 5 minutes while walking. Instead of scrolling social media for 30 minutes, use just 5 minutes for English. You can learn 3 new words. You can listen to a short podcast. You can speak to yourself in the mirror. You can describe what you are doing. I am brushing my teeth. I am cooking rice. The weather is hot today. Simple sentences, small practice, big progress. You don't need perfect time. You just need any time. Small moments are powerful. Remember this. 5 minutes every day is better than 0 minutes for 1 week. Now let's move to the second excuse. English is too difficult. Many people say, my brain is not good at languages, or I am weak in grammar, or I get confused. Listen carefully. English is not a monster. It only looks scary when you look at the whole language at once. Imagine you are standing in front of a huge mountain. If you look at the top, you will feel afraid. You will think, I can never reach there. But if you look at your feet and take one small step, suddenly it feels possible. Learning English is the same. Don't try to learn everything in one day. Don't say, I must speak fluently like a native speaker this month. Instead, say, today I will learn how to introduce myself clearly. Tomorrow, learn how to talk about your hobbies. Next week, practice past tense. One small victory every day. Progress, not perfection. If you enjoy music, listen to English songs and read the lyrics. If you enjoy movies, watch short clips with subtitles. If you like cooking, read a simple English recipe. When learning becomes fun, it stops feeling difficult. Now let's talk about a big emotional excuse. the fear of making mistakes. This is powerful. Many people understand English. Many people know vocabulary. But when it is time to speak, they become silent. Why? Because they are afraid. They think, what if I say something wrong? What if people laugh? What if my grammar is bad? Let me tell you something important. Mistakes are not your enemies. They are your teachers. Think about a baby learning to walk. The baby falls again and again. Do we laugh at the baby? No, we clap. We say, good job, try again. Falling is part of learning. Speaking English is the same. If you never make mistakes, it means you are not trying. It means you are hiding in your comfort zone, and nothing grows in the comfort zone. Say this with me: communication, not perfection. If people understand you, you are successful, even if your grammar is not perfect, even if your pronunciation is not perfect. Speak, try, smile. Most people respect effort. They do not laugh at courage. Now the fourth excuse: I'm too old to learn English. Maybe you are 30, maybe 40, maybe 60, maybe even older, and you think, I should have learned when I was younger. But listen carefully. Your brain can learn at any age. Learning a language is like exercise for the brain. It keeps your mind active. It improves memory. It builds confidence. Age is just a number. Your desire to grow is what matters. In fact, adults have advantages. You understand discipline. You understand responsibility. You understand long-term goals. Use that strength. It is never too late to start. Now the fifth excuse: I don't have money for expensive classes. Yes, courses can be costly. Books can be costly. But today, we live in the age of the internet. There are thousands of free videos, free podcasts, free articles, free practice groups, libraries, language exchange partners. Even this channel is free. Money is not the real problem. Consistency is the real challenge. If you truly decide, I will improve my English, you will find free resources, but you must show effort. And now we reach the most dangerous excuse of all. I will start on Monday. Why Monday? Why not today? We say, I will start next week. Then Monday comes and we say, I am tired. Then we say, next month. Then next year. Excuses create a circle, and that circle steals your dreams. So here's the rule. Start now. After this video ends, do one small action. Learn one new word. Write one sentence. Speak 1 minute in English. Send one voice message to yourself. Just begin. Action creates motivation, not the other way around. You don't wait to feel confident. You act, and confidence grows. Now let's quickly remember what we learned today. You don't need hours. 5 minutes is enough to start. English is not a mountain. Take small steps. Mistakes are your friends. Communication is more important than perfection. You are not too old. Your brain is powerful. You don't need money. You need commitment. And most importantly, do not wait for Monday. Start today. Imagine how you will feel after 1 month of small daily effort. Proud, confident, strong. Imagine speaking without fear. Imagine understanding movies without subtitles. That future version of you is waiting, but only if you move. No more excuses. It's time to rise. Before we finish, I want to hear from you. What excuse were you using before? And what small action will you take today? Write it in the comments. When you write it, it becomes real. If this episode motivated you even a little, please like this video and share it with someone who needs encouragement. And if you are serious about improving your English step by step, subscribe to English with Shubh. We're building confidence here, one conversation at a time. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today. I truly appreciate you. Keep practicing, keep speaking, keep rising. I will see you in the next episode. Until then, take care and remember, your English journey starts now. Bye for now.